You may come across a situation where a balance sheet does not balance, or in other words, the owner's equity does not match the net assets. In today's video, I'll explain the reasons for this situation.
Statement of financial position in a Strata Master is generated for the period up to 12 months. If we have not completed the end of financial year rollover, we have not carried forward the surplus or deficit from last year to the current financial year. Therefore, the opening balance of the funds are not updated, and the owner's equity does not reflect the current balances. In order to complete the end of financial year rollover, we navigate to Accounting, End of financial year rollover, select the plan, and Rollover. Now that we have rolled over the surplus or deficit from last year, the opening balances and the total of owner's equity is updated and matching the net assets. If a balance sheet does not balance despite the end of financial year rollover, at least one transaction has been made to the last financial years after rollover. If the transaction was made by a mistake, it needs to be reversed, but if it had to be made to the previous financial year, we can redo the rollover by navigating to Accounting, Adjustments, and reveal the annual rollovers. For instance, if I forgot to accrue $1,000 cleaning expense in the financial year ended 30th of September and I make the journal after rollover, the current balance sheet in October won't balance. However, I can resort to reveal the annual rollovers and redo the rollover. Now, the statement of financial position is balancing and the total of owner's equity matches the net assets.